Okay, all, good morning. Now today I am going to explain from SEM unit 14 types of conflict. Now I studied upon concept of conflicts. Now what are the types of conflict? What are conflict usually occurs in organizations? On those today I am going to explain you. Now yesterday I have learned that conflict. Now conflict means usually it occurs between the persons or groups when there is what? Disagreement, dissatisfaction, displeasures, or contradiction between the persons, organizations, and these conflicts are supportable plus unfavorable to the organizations. There are some conflicts which also helps to some organizations, and there are also such conflicts which also helps to damage the organizations. So it is said that conflicts are very, usually conflicts are more unfavorable to the organization. So they should be managed in times, and it should be properly managed by the management teams. And today I am going to explain types of conflict. Now, whatever conflict means there are substantive conflict and emotional conflicts, constructive and destructive conflicts. Now, substantive conflict. Now, substantive conflict means it is a conflict which occurs between the person or group in an organization at the time of distribution of salaries, distribution of reward, prizes, while making planning policies, in the process of completing any projects. So in such cases this type of conflict occurs. So, and this type of conflict also should be managed in time, especially the management teams. They should take attention on such type of conflict and it should manage the time, because if this type of conflict are not managed in times, it becomes very destructive, because this type of conflict occurs usually when planning and policies are made, or when any organization goals are made at the times of this type of conflict occurs. So if this type of conflict are not solved in time, not solved in accurate time, what means the planning, policies, goals, objective of the organization, everything becomes what? Out of control. They becomes unfavorable. They cannot be achieved successfully, and it will damage the organization. So it is said that management team or management committee should pay proper attention to solve this type of conflict, and should make the organization run smoothly, and should make the workers or group in the organization satisfied, and should make them effortful. Their efficiency level should be improved. They should be made properly satisfied. Now, emotional conflict. Now, emotional conflict means talking about whatever emotional means, we're talking about personal psychology, psychological concept of persons. Usually, emotional conflict occurs during fear, angry, making sensitive on any matters. So this type of conflict occurs. So it is said that this type of conflict also are not good for the organizations, because when the person do any work, if he is fear of doing any work, or if he is angry with someone and that person who is angry, if his anger cannot be made cool down, that will get more destructive in the organizations. So he said that this emotional conflict, which is psychological, this type of conflict also very destructive for the organizations, because until unless the psychological conflict cannot be removed and workers in the organizations cannot be made satisfied, what means they cannot do work properly, they will not do work properly also, and the work activities, objectives, their targets, goals, nothing can be achieved properly. So this type of conflict also very dangerous, so it should be solved in time. Now, constructive conflict. Now, constructive conflict means this conflict also are called functional conflict. Usually, constructive conflict are very helpful for organizations, because this type of conflict usually occurs when the workers or the groups, they are doing some work, or when they are starting some any new work. So how that work they can be completed in times or effortfully. So for first type of activity, this type of conflict occurs. So when this type of conflict occurs, usually there will be proper discussion among the workers, and this type of conflict will make more the worker more effortful. They will make the workers more energetics, indigestions occurs on the workers. And what ways? Definitely what ways? This will be favorable for the organizations. And this type of conflict are good for the organizations. They will support the organizations. Because due to this conflict, workers are motivated to work more, harder and harder. Workers becomes more efficient, effortful. Creativity of the workers, occurs. Workers will try to do innovations, their skill knowledge that they have, they'll try to utilize their perfectly, their 100% knowledge they'll try to utilize on their activities, works, so it will support the organization. Now destructive means, and destructive conflict are such a conflict which will help to damage the organizations, which will totally damage the organizations. And this type of conflict are very, unsupportive for the organizations. This type of conflict usually occurs, when there is workers are unsatisfied on certain matters. Either it may be on the basis of their working environment, might be on the basis of their remunerations, might be on the basis of their managements. So once might be on the basis of their facilities that they should get. On such basis, when this type of conflict occurs, they are very destructive. They will damage the whole organizations. So this type of conflict are very damageful. So it should be solved in time. And management teams should take proper attention on this type of conflict. If they are solved in times, they are not advanced, everything will be supportable, everything will be favorable for the organizations. Organizations will run smoothly with their planning, policies, with their target. Otherwise, if this conflict are not solved in time, it will be destructive, very destructive, it will damage the organization. So today in this video I have explained about types of conflicts. So essentially I have explained about 4 types of conflict. Okay, thank you all of you.